Welcome to this immersive meditation experience brought to you by Mind Explorer. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey into the limitless landscape of your own consciousness, where endless opportunities await and your inner potential is ready to be awakened. As you move through this meditation, keep your mind open to transformation and allow yourself to harness the incredible influence of your thoughts, feelings, and intentions. Let's begin by finding a peaceful spot where you can either sit comfortably or lie down, free from distractions. Gently close your eyes and start to take slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. With each breath, notice how your body begins to let go of tension, becoming more relaxed and at ease. Now, bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation slowly moving down, scanning your body from top to bottom. As this wave passes, consciously release any tightness or discomfort you encounter. Allow your forehead to smooth out, your eyes to soften, and your jaw to unclench. Continue this process down your neck, letting go of any stiffness in your throat and shoulders. Feel your arms become heavy and relaxed, as if all the tension is melting away. Move your focus to your chest, noticing your heartbeat and allowing your chest to open and expand with each breath. Let your awareness travel down to your abdomen, hips, and thighs, releasing any lingering discomfort or tightness. Finally, bring your attention to your calves, ankles, and feet, feeling them become grounded and completely at ease. Place one hand gently over your heart, tuning into the steady, powerful rhythm within. With every inhale, imagine a warm, radiant light growing in your chest, spreading a sense of harmony and balance throughout your entire being. As you exhale, feel any remaining tension dissolve, leaving you in a state of deep relaxation and openness. Take a few moments to simply rest in this peaceful state, feeling the connection between your breath, your heart, and your mind. Allow yourself to be fully present, knowing that this is your time to nurture your inner world and unlock new possibilities. As you continue to rest in this tranquil state, bring to mind a memory from your past that fills you with love, happiness, gratitude, or inspiration. It could be a moment with a loved one, an achievement you're proud of, or a time when you felt truly alive and connected. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this memory, recalling the vivid details, the colors, the sounds, the scents, and the sensations that made it so special. Let the positive emotions associated with this memory rise up within you, filling your heart and radiating throughout your entire body. With each breath, allow this elevated emotion to grow stronger, amplifying the sense of joy, gratitude, or inspiration you feel. Imagine this feeling as a glowing energy in your chest, expanding outward and enveloping your entire being. As you bask in this emotion, know that you are creating a powerful field of energy around you, one that has the potential to influence your reality in profound ways. Take a few moments to simply enjoy this sensation, letting it fill every cell of your body with warmth and light. Now, visualize yourself standing at the threshold of a vast, boundless space filled with vibrant, pulsating energy. This is the realm of infinite possibilities, a place where your thoughts and intentions can shape your reality. As you step into this space, feel the energy around you merging with your own, creating a sense of unity and connection with the universe. Here, the limitations of time and space fade away, leaving only your pure consciousness and the endless potential that lies within. Begin to imagine your ideal future self, the person you aspire to become. Picture this version of yourself in vivid detail, noticing the emotions, sensations, and energy that come with this state of being. Allow these feelings to fill your heart, expanding with each breath and aligning you more closely with your future self. As the boundary between your current reality and your desired reality begins to blur, set a clear intention to manifest this future self and the life you wish to create. Hold this intention gently in your mind, like a seed ready to grow. As you focus on your desired future, let go of any need to control the outcome. Trust in the wisdom of the universe and the intelligence of the field of possibilities to bring about the perfect manifestation of your dreams. Surrender to the process, knowing that your intention has already been received and is in the process of unfolding in ways that may surprise and delight you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine releasing your intention into the infinite field of energy around you. Visualize it as a beam of light, carrying your hopes and desires out into the universe. Feel a sense of peace and trust, knowing that you have done your part and that the universe is now working on your behalf. Allow yourself to rest in this state of surrender, free from worry or doubt. As you remain in this space, bring your attention back to your heart. Feel the gratitude welling up within you for this transformative experience and the insights you have gained. Let this gratitude fill your entire being, radiating outward and attracting even more positive experiences into your life. Take a few moments to simply enjoy this feeling, knowing that gratitude is a powerful force for change and manifestation. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Notice the sensations in your fingers and toes, gently wiggling them as you reconnect with the present moment. Take a few deep breaths, grounding yourself in the here and now. With each inhale, feel your energy returning, and with each exhale, release any remaining tension or stress. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to your surroundings with a renewed sense of purpose, clarity, and inspiration. Congratulations on completing this guided meditation, inspired by the principles of quantum transformation. As you move forward, remember to nurture the connection you have established with your future self and to maintain the elevated emotions that support your personal growth. Each time you practice this meditation, you strengthen your ability to shape your reality and manifest your deepest desires. Make it a habit to revisit this meditation regularly, knowing that with each session, you are reinforcing the neural pathways that support positive change. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to access the state of coherence and alignment that allows you to tap into the field of infinite possibilities. Trust in your ability to create the life you envision, and know that you are supported by the intelligence of the universe every step of the way. As you go about your day, carry the sense of peace, gratitude, and inspiration you have cultivated during this meditation. Let these elevated emotions guide your actions and decisions, helping you to stay aligned with your highest self. Remember that you have the power to choose your thoughts and emotions, and that each choice you make shapes your reality in meaningful ways. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey with Mind Explorer. We hope that this meditation has provided you with valuable insights and a renewed sense of empowerment. Continue to explore the depths of your consciousness and trust in your ability to create a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. We look forward to guiding you on future journeys of self-discovery and growth. As you integrate the benefits of this meditation into your daily life, notice how your perspective begins to shift. You may find yourself more open to new opportunities, more resilient in the face of challenges, and more attuned to the subtle guidance of your intuition. The practice of connecting with your future self and cultivating elevated emotions is a powerful tool for personal transformation, one that can help you navigate life with greater ease and confidence. Whenever you feel uncertain or overwhelmed, return to the techniques you have learned in this meditation. Take a few moments to breathe deeply, connect with your heart, and visualize your ideal future. Remind yourself that you are capable of creating positive change and that the universe is always responding to your intentions. With practice, you will find it easier to maintain a state of coherence and alignment, even in the midst of life's challenges. Remember that transformation is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself as you continue to grow and evolve. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and trust that each step you take brings you closer to the life you desire. Surround yourself with supportive people and resources that inspire you to keep moving forward. We encourage you to make meditation a regular part of your routine, using it as a tool to reconnect with your inner wisdom and recharge your energy. Each time you enter the field of infinite possibilities, you strengthen your ability to manifest your dreams and create a reality that reflects your true potential. Trust in the process and know that you are always supported on your journey of self-discovery and transformation. As you bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to reflect on the insights and experiences you have gained. Notice any shifts in your energy, mood, or perspective, and acknowledge the progress you have made. Give yourself credit for taking the time to nurture your mind, body, and spirit, and for investing in your own growth and well-being. Carry the sense of peace, clarity, and inspiration you have cultivated with you as you move through your day. Let these elevated emotions guide your interactions with others, helping you to create positive and meaningful connections. Remember that you have the power to influence your reality through your thoughts, emotions, and intentions, and that each moment is an opportunity to create the life you desire. Thank you for allowing Mind Explorer to be a part of your journey. We are honored to support you as you continue to explore the limitless potential within yourself. Be sure to return for more guided meditations and resources designed to empower you on your path to self-discovery, growth, and fulfillment. May you continue to evolve, manifest abundance, and experience the joy that comes from living in alignment with your highest self. With gratitude and appreciation, we wish you continued success on your journey. Remember, the field of infinite possibilities is always available to you. Simply close your eyes, connect with your heart, and step into the life you are meant to live. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to guiding you again soon.